Hello students. Now we are starting chapter aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. We had already started. Video I had posted already for preparations, IUPAC nomenclature, and just go through it, okay? Nucleophilic addition reaction we had completed. Today we are starting with reduction of aldehyde and ketones, okay? Every reaction very important. Write and learn. Clear students? લખવાની પ્રેક્ટિસ કરો. ટેક્સ્ટબુકમાં જનરલ ઇક્વેશન આપી છે. So we have to practice with all the examples. They may ask acetone how it is reduced. They may ask what is the product obtained when formaldehyde undergo reduction. So it's better to understand the general equation and then we have to practice again. Yeah. So we are starting with reaction reduction of aldehyde and ketone. Reduction of aldehydes and ketone. Note down each and every word that will be important for you. Okay. Reduction meaning addition of hydrogen. What is the meaning of reduction? Addition of hydrogen. Removal of oxygen. Addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen is known as reduction. Some reducing agent we require for this reduction process. What are common reducing agent? Reducing agent we use for reduction of aldehyde and ketones are lithium aluminium hydride, sodium borohydride. These are the common reducing agent we will use for reduction of aldehydes and ketones. Lithium aluminium hydride and sodium borohydride. So many reducing agents are there, but these can be reduced for aldehyde and ketone. What's the name of this? Lithium aluminium hydride. In these compound, hydrogen is in oxidation state of -1. That's why they are called hydrides. So either lithium aluminium hydride or sodium borohydride is used for reduction of aldehydes and ketones. Now we'll see how the reaction proceeds. First general reaction, and then we'll write 3 examples. Next 3 I'll give you in homework. So complete it. Clear? First, reduction of aldehyde. We know general formula of aldehyde is RCHO. This is aldehyde. RCHO. R C double bond O H, that is called aldehyde. When it undergo reduction, addition of hydrogen in presence of lithium aluminium hydride, or we can use sodium borohydride. What will happen? Hydrogen will add to C double bond O group. 1 H here, 1 H here. So product obtained will be RCH2. This will become CH2 and OH. RCH2OH. 1 degree alcohol is formed. So when aldehydes undergo reduction, primary alcohols obtained. 1 degree alcohol obtained. Or we can say that in aldehyde there is CHO group. जो भी कंपाउंड आपको दिया उसमें CHO ग्रुप हमको लेना है. That is aldehyde. It undergo reduction by lithium aluminium hydride, addition of hydrogen. This group will be converted into CH2OH, which is called 1 degree alcohol. That is called primary alcohol. Understood, student? So whenever aldehydes undergo reduction, that is addition of hydrogen, the product obtained is primary alcohol. What you have to do? CHO group ne pakadvanu, એને CH2OH માં change કરી દેવાનું. Whatever be the aldehyde, CHO group is converted into CH2OH. This is called general reaction. Now they may ask so many type of example. I am giving you 3. Number 1, reaction with acetaldehyde. Reaction, yeah, reduction of acetaldehyde. What is the formula of acetaldehyde, student? CH3CHO. Acetaldehyde is CH3CHO. This is common name. Its IUPAC name is ethanol. When it undergo reduction in presence of lithium aluminium hydride, what is the product obtained? मैंने क्या सिखाया था? CHO group को change करना है CH2OH में. So it will become CH3. This will be as it is. CHO will be converted into CH2OH. So ethanol will be obtained. What is its name, students? Ethanol. So acetaldehyde on reduction gives ethanol. CH3CH2OH. Clear? Common name for ethanol is ethyl alcohol. What's the common name? Ethyl alcohol. Write down both the names always. Ethyl alcohol. Okay? Suppose in second reaction, they may ask, write down reduction of benzaldehyde. Write down reduction of benzaldehyde. See, what's the product obtained when benzaldehyde undergo reduction? Second example. This is benzaldehyde. This is known as benzaldehyde. It is also known as benzene carbaldehyde. Benzaldehyde, one more IUPAC name, benzene carbaldehyde. When it undergo reduction in presence of lithium aluminium hydride, what is the product obtained? CHO, you have to convert it into CH2OH. So this is the product obtained. Benzyl alcohol. So naam chhe benzyl alcohol. What is IUPAC name for benzyl alcohol? Phenyl methanol. Phenyl methanol. So benzaldehyde on reduction gives benzyl alcohol. Okay. Third example. What is the product obtained when formaldehyde undergo reduction? Formaldehyde, HCHO. This is called formaldehyde. Common name. Formaldehyde. When it undergo reduction with lithium aluminium hydride, what is the product obtained? CHO will be converted into CH2OH. So it will be HCH2OH. If we combine it, we will have CH3OH. What is the name of CH3OH? Methanol. So aldehydes on reduction with lithium aluminium hydride gives primary alcohol, that is 1 degree alcohol. MCQ ma puchi sake, which of the following alcohol obtained when aldehyde undergo reduction? Primary alcohol. What's the product obtained when formaldehyde undergo reduction? Methanol. Benzaldehyde when undergo reaction with lithium aluminium hydride, what is the product obtained? It's phenyl methanol. Okay, students. Now I am giving you 3 other examples that you have to complete in homework. Okay. You have to write equation for reduction of first acrolein. Just find out where this name is written and then write the reaction. Reduction of acrolein. Second, isobutyraldehyde. Isobutyraldehyde. And third reduction you have to write for CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2 and CHO. Anu reduction lakhwan. Clear? These 3 reactions you have to complete. The reduction of aldehyde gives alcohol. Just what you have to do? CHO group पकड़ना है. Structure बनाओगे तो पता लगेगा CHO group आएगा. That CHO will be converted into CH2OH. Try to write name of the reactant as well as the products. Understood? Now second. Reduction of ketone. Second is reduction of ketone. Now, whenever we do reduction of ketones, secondary alcohol will be obtained. Ketone general formula R C double bond O R. This is ketone. Okay. When it undergo reduction with lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride, any we can use. दोनों में से कोई भी use कर सकते हैं. What's the name of this? Sodium borohydride. How the hydrogen will get added? One H will to this carbon, another H to oxygen. So product obtained. Whenever hydrogen added, one bond will break. So product will be R, CH, OH, and here it is R. Now what type of alcohol it is, students? 2-degree alcohol. Secondary alcohol will be obtained. So whenever ketones undergo reduction with sodium borohydride or lithium aluminum hydride, what is the product obtained? Secondary alcohol. 2-degree alcohol will be obtained. This is general formula for ketone. Hydrogen is added. One H to the carbon, another H to the oxygen. We know there is double bond. One is sigma, other one is pi. The pi bond will break and the product obtained is secondary alcohol. Okay. Now we'll write some example. 3 equations I will solve. Rest 3 you have to do in homework. First is reduction of acetone. Reduction of acetone. What's the product obtained when acetone undergo reduction? CH3, C double bond O, CH3. This is called acetone. When it undergo reduction with sodium borohydride, what's the product obtained, students? एक H add कर देवानो. It will become CH3, CH, OH, and CH3. This is called propane 2-ol. Propane 2-ol. Its common name is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. This is the common name and IUPAC name of the product obtained when acetone undergo reduction with sodium borohydride. Now second example. 3 I'll do for you. Rest 3 you have to do in homework. Second is reduction of acetophenone. What is the product obtained when acetophenone undergo reduction? You should know the structure of acetophenone. Student, this is acetophenone. COCH3. Anu naam acetophenone. When it undergo reduction, addition of hydrogen by lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride, this CO group is converted into CHOH. ये जो CO group है इसको CHOH में change करना है. So this will be converted into CHOH and CH3. This is the product obtained when acetophenone undergo reduction. अब नाम लखो है तो this is 1 and this is 2. 1-phenyl ethanol. 1-phenyl ethanol or ethane 1-ol. 1-phenyl ethanol or it is called 1-phenyl ethane 1-ol. Third example. Write down reduction of third example is diethyl ketone. Diethyl ketone. What's the product obtained when diethyl ketone undergo reduction? What is the structure for diethyl ketone? C double bond O. This is ketone. Both the side you have to put diethyl. CH2, CH3. Here also CH2, CH3. This is called diethyl ketone. This diethyl ketone, when undergo reduction with lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride, CO will be converted into CHOH. So product will be CH3, CH2, CHOH, CH2 and CH3. Secondary alcohol obtained. What is its name, student? 4 and 5. It is pentane 2-ol. This is the reduction of ketone. So always when ketone undergo reduction, the products obtained are secondary alcohol. Now I am giving you 3 reactions. Complete it in homework. What is the product formed by these reductions? These you have to do in homework. Fourth one, suppose this is undergo reduction. CH2, C double bond O, CH3. What is the product obtained? Fifth one, CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. શું પ્રોડક્ટ મળે? પ્રોડક્ટની સાથે રિએક્ટન્ટના નામ તમારે મેન્શન કરવાના. ક્લિયર? Third example you have to write, that is double bond O. इसका नाम है cyclohexanone. Cyclohexanone. What happened when all three undergo reduction with sodium borohydride, or we can write lithium aluminium hydride. कोई भी ले सकते हो. क्या प्रोडक्ट बनेगा वो आपको बताना. What is the main thing we have to understand during reduction of ketone? कीटोन में जो भी CO ग्रुप प्रेजेंट होगा वो किस में रिड्यूस होगा? CHOH. ये बात हमको ध्यान रखनी. जो भी कंपाउंड है उसमें CO ग्रुप को पकड़ो, उसको CHOH में चेंज कर दो. प्रोडक्ट विल बी 2 degree alcohol. Understood, students? So reduction of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehyde will give primary alcohol and ketones will give secondary alcohol. Now we have to move with next reaction. That is also reduction, but under some name of the scientist. Very important. First we are doing Clemmensen reduction. What is it? Clemmensen reduction. If we take some strong reducing agent, then what will happen? Aldehyde and ketone undergo reduction, reduced to hydrocarbon, that is methylene group. Now second reduction of aldehyde and ketone, to hydrocarbon. ऑक्सीजन रिमूव हो जाएगा. रिमूवल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. C डबल बॉन्ड O ग्रुप जो प्रेजेंट होगा, भले एल्डिहाइड हो या कीटोन, ये है एल्डिहाइड, किस में रिड्यूस हो जाएगा? CH2 में. किस में रिड्यूस हो जाएगा? CH2 में. अगर ये एल्डिहाइड और कीटोन है, बिकॉज इन बोथ एल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन वी हैव दिस C डबल बॉन्ड O ग्रुप. So C double bond O group will be reduced to CH2. This is called carbonyl group. Which group it is? Carbonyl group. So carbonyl group is converted into methylene group. मतलब इतने पावरफुल रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट लेंगे, ये काम लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड और सोडियम बोरोहाइड्राइड नहीं कर सकते हैं. C डबल बॉन्ड O ग्रुप, दैट इज कार्बोनिल ग्रुप, उसको कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमको मिथाइलिन में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमको स्ट्रॉन्ग रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट लेना पड़ेगा. कौन से रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट इसको कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं? 2 टाइप के रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट हैं. नंबर 1 जिंक अमलगम एंड कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड HCl. क्या लेना पड़ेगा? जिंक अमलगम, कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड HCl. व्हेन एनी मेटल dissolved in mercury, mixture is called, alloy is called amalgam. So zinc amalgam react with concentrated HCl is the best reducing agent to convert C double bond O group into CH2. This type of reducing agent is used by Clemmensen. That's why this type of reduction, when we use this reducing agent, the name of the reaction will be Clemmensen reduction. Very important reaction. Just keep in mind, whenever there is Clemmensen reduction, the reducing agent used is zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl. Carbonyl group is converted into methylene group. Okay. Second type of reducing agent which converts carbonyl to methylene group is hydrazine. NH2, NH2. Hydrazine in KOH और सॉल्वेंट यूज करना है CH2Cl2 डाइक्लोरोमीथेन. ये कॉम्बिनेशन आपको याद रखना है. हाइड्रोजीन in KOH, strong base, and CH2Cl2. If this type of reducing agent is using for conversion of carbonyl group into methylene group, the name of the reaction will be Wolff-Kishner reduction. Wolff-Kishner रिडक्शन। बात समझ में आ गई? दोनों क्लीमेंसन, वुल्फ किश्नर both convert carbonyl group into methylene group. The final compound will be hydrocarbon. कहीं पे ऑक्सीजन नहीं है अब इसमें, इसलिए क्या बन गया? हाइड्रोकार्बन, अल्केन बन जाएगा. हाइड्रोकार्बन मीन्स alkane will be obtained. CO group is converted into CHO. थीम समझ आ गई? Carbonyl group can be reduced to methylene group by two reducing agent, Clemmensen reduction or Wolff-Kishner reduction. In Clemmensen reduction, we have to use zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl, while for Wolff-Kishner reduction, we have to use hydrazine in KOH, basic medium, and the solvent is methylene dichloride, CH2Cl2. Now we'll see the general reaction and the examples. Okay, students, see. First, we are writing general reaction. First, we are writing for Clemmensen reduction. First is Clemmensen reduction. So, thase Clemmensen reduction ma, this way they written C double bond O. This is called aldehyde or ketone, whatever be. Aldehyde or ketone. किसके साथ reduce करना है? Zinc, amalgam, concentrated HCl. दो H2 add होंगे. How many? 2 hydrogen. One H2 will add here, another H2 will add here. Water will be the byproduct. So product will be CH2 plus H2. This is called Clemmensen reduction. अब लास्ट ईयर एग्जाम हुआ बोर्ड का, उसमें पूछा था कि एसीटोन का क्लीमेंसन रिडक्शन लिखो. अब टेक्स्ट बुक में पर्टिकुलर एसीटोन के लिए रिएक्शन नहीं दिया हुआ है, टेक्स्ट बुक में जनरल रिएक्शन लिखा हुआ है. तो so many students have written this general reaction. Marks will not be given. આપ્યા જ નથી એ લોકોએ માર્ક્સ. એસીટોન મીન્સ તમારે એસીટોનની જ રિએક્શન લખવાની. ઈ તમને કહે કે ક્લીમેન્સન રિડક્શન એસિટલ્ડિહાઇડ નું લખો તો તમારે એસિટલ્ડિહાઇડ નું લખવાનું. આ તો જનરલ રિએક્શન છે. વાત સમજાય છે મારી? જે કમ્પાઉન્ડ આપ્યું હોય એની તમારે રિએક્શન લખવાની. यू आर नॉट सपोज टू राइट द जनरल रिएक्शन. तब आपको लगेगा सब कुछ सही है, एवरीथिंग वाज करेक्ट, बट मार्क्स नहीं दिया था बिकॉज फॉर पर्टिकुलर कंपाउंड दे हैड नॉट रिटन. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? सो नाउ वी आर राइटिंग 3 एग्जांपल्स. 3 તમારે લખવાના. चलिए फर्स्ट CH3CHO, क्या नाम बताया था? एसिटल्डिहाइड. What happened when it is treated with जिंक एमलगम, कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड HCl. अभी देखते ही तुरंत आपको स्ट्राइक होना चाहिए. जिंक अमलगम कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड HCl means it is Clemmensen reduction. Clemmensen reduction convert this into CH3. So product obtained will be ethane. Hydrocarbon is obtained. Ethane is obtained. Byproduct will be H2O. Hydrogen get added here. Water will be removed as H2. So CHO group is converted into CH3. Clear? Second likho. For this propanol, CH3, CH2, CHO, its name is propanol. What happened when propanol undergo reduction? Zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl. CHO will be converted into CH3. So name will be CH3, CH2 and CH3. Propane is the product and water is the byproduct. So when aldehydes or ketones undergo Clemmensen reduction, zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl એટલે Clemmensen reduction. When they undergo Clemmensen reduction, the product obtained will be hydrocarbon, that is propane, and water will be removed. Clear? See one more example for Clemmensen reduction only, and 3 for homework. Third is आनु Clemmensen reduction करवाना. CO, CH2, CH3. ऊपर लिख दिया जिंक अमलगम, concentrated HCl. क्या करना है, CO को CH2 में चेंज करना है, CH2 CH2 CH3 આનું નામ શું થશે, 1 2 and 3, 1 phenyl propane 1 on, propane 1 on, और इसका क्या नाम होगा, दिस इज कॉल्ड प्रोपाइल बेंजीन, एन प्रोपाइल बेंजीन। जहां ज्यादा कार्बन होते हैं वहां पे चेन सेलेक्ट होता है। तो यहाँ पे क्यों हमने बाहर चेन सेलेक्ट किया, क्योंकि बाहर फंक्शनल ग्रुप था इसलिए हमने सेलेक्ट किया। सो नेम इज एन प्रोपाइल बेंजीन। 3 आपको क्लीमेंसन रिडक्शन लिखने। नंबर 1 होमवर्क में लिखोगे आप, व्हाट हैपन व्हेन दिस अंडरगो क्लीमेंसन रिडक्शन, जिंक amalgam concentrated HCl, what happened when benzaldehyde undergo Clemenson reduction, zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl, hydrogen added, plus 2H2 करवानू, okay बेटा, hydrogen get added in the reaction, and third you have to write for HCHO, zinc amalgam concentrated HCl, 2H2 added, what is the product of it? Simple. CO will be converted into CH2. Try to write name of all the compounds. Try to write common name, IUPAC names, product. Product बनाओ એટલે product ના નામ લખવાના, product ના IUPAC names દેવાના, common names દેવાના, zinc amalgam concentrated HCl 6 reaction લખો ને પછી નો યાદ રહે તો એ તો થાય નહીં, એટલે minimum 6 reactions એક particular general reactions માટે આપણે લખવાની, so that it will be, you know, the reaction will be understood. फिर आपको कोई भी कंपाउंड वो देगा, you are able to write the chemical reaction. Clear? This is called Clemenson reduction. Now we are moving towards Wolff-Kishner reduction. Product will be same, only the catalyst will be different, reducing agent will be different. Second, Wolff-Kishner reduction. लिख लिया बेटा, नोट कर लेना, होमवर्क आराम से करना है अपन को, सबके नाम लिखने हैं आपको, प्रोडक्ट जो बनेगा उसका नाम आपको लिखना है। How to write product name? This CO will be converted into CH2. So note down your homework. Okay. Now, second I am writing Wolff-Kishner reduction. Second is Wolff-Kishner reduction. इसका भी यही काम है, C double bond O group is converted into CH2. What we have to take? Hydrazine. NH2 is called hydrazine. Okay. And KOH, basic medium. Solvent is dichloromethane, CH2Cl2. This CO group is converted into CH2. Methylene group will be obtained. Hydrocarbon is obtained. Hydrocarbon is obtained. Clear? Now examples. Wolff-Kishner reduction of aldehyde and ketone. First we are taking acetone. CH3CO CH3 acetone. Acetone लिख के दिया और साथ में यहाँ पे लिखा hydrazine, KOH in CH2Cl2. What is the product obtained? જોતા માં તરત ખ્યાલ આવવું જોઈએ. It is Wolff-Kishner reduction. CO group is converted into CH2. So product will be CH3, CH2, CH3. Propane obtained. इसमें बाय प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा स्टूडेंट्स? N और N मिलके N2 निकालेंगे बाहर, एक H2 और वो H2O बाहर आ जाएगा और ये H2 इसमें ऐड हो जाएगा. Hydrazine only taking part in the reaction. KOH is for basic medium and CH2Cl2 is a solvent. Clear? So what are the byproduct? N2 plus H2O and propane will be the main product, plus N2 plus H2. Suppose we want to write reduction for C double bond O, CH2, CH3. So now menu butane 2 on hydrazine NH2 NH2 oblique KOH CH2 Cl2. So product made CO is converted into CH2. So product will be CH2 CH2 CH3 butane and byproduct N2 and H2. Always the byproduct will be N2 and H2O. This is Wolff-Kishner reduction. CO group is converted into CH2. Just we have to remember which catalyst, which reducing agent is used for Clemmensen, which reducing agent is used for Wolff-Kishner reduction. See, common reaction. Two common reaction we will write. Just note down the reactions. दोनों को अगर कंपेयर करें तो how to write? See, suppose it is given CH2 CHO, okay, 1 phenyl ethanol. It is 1 phenyl ethanol. ऐसा लिख के दिया zinc amalgam concentrated HCl. Zinc amalgam concentrated HCl plus 2H2. यहाँ लिख के दिया NH2 hydrazine in KOH and the solvent is dichloromethane. पूछेगा what are the products? Are they same? Different? What are the main products obtained from this reduction? First one जो है वो है Clemmensen reduction because it is zinc amalgam concentrated HCl. So first is Clemmensen reduction. Second one is Wolff-Kishner reduction. Wolff-Kishner reduction. Product will be same. This will be converted into CH3. So the product will be CH2, CH3. Here also CH2, CH3. Name is ethyl benzene. Both the products are same and the name is ethyl benzene. Byproducts will be different. Here only water and here N2 and H2O. So I hope you understood what are the products obtained by Clemmensen and Wolff-Kishner reduction. Both Clemmensen and Wolff-Kishner reduction, when taking part with aldehyde and ketones, the product obtained is hydrocarbon, that is alkane will be obtained. Clear? जैसे आपको कोई कन्वर्जन दिया, ये रिएक्शन कहाँ पे यूज होती है वो मैं आपको बताती हूँ. सपोज आपको क्वेश्चन दिया कन्वर्ट, 2 स्टेप में कन्वर्ट करना है. कन्वर्ट इथेनॉल टू इथाइल क्लोराइड. Convert ethanol to ethyl chloride. We have to start with ethanol. We have to end with ethyl chloride. Suppose ethanol से ethyl chloride बनाना है, वो भी सिर्फ 2 steps में बनाना है. Only in 2 steps. How to write? पहले ethanol का formula CH3CHO. This is ethanol. First we will do either Clemmensen or Wolff-Kishner reduction. I am doing Clemmensen. Zinc amalgam concentrated HCl 2H2. क्या बन जाएगा? Ethane. After forming hydrocarbon, what we have to do? Chlorination in sunlight, free radical substitution. 1H get replaced by Cl. So product is CH3, CH2, Cl, and HCl is the byproduct. So whenever we need hydrocarbon from aldehyde and ketone, what we have to use? Either Clemmensen reduction or Wolff-Kishner reduction. Clear, students? So keep in mind, hydrocarbon will be obtained from aldehyde and ketone by either Clemmensen or Wolff-Kishner reduction. Understood? These are the reduction reactions of aldehydes and ketones. Now we move towards next reaction of aldehyde and ketone, and that is oxidation. Oxidation of aldehyde and ketone. Third type of reaction, oxidation of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehyde and ketones. First we'll do oxidation of aldehyde. Now, जैसे अगर reduction करना हो तो we need reducing agent. Similarly, if we want to do oxidation, then we need oxidizing agents. Which oxidizing agents are required for oxidation of aldehyde and ketones? Strong oxidizing agents are, always you can use it, strong oxidizing agent. What are strong oxidizing agents, students? Acidic KMnO4, basic KMnO4, K2Cr2O7, potassium dichromate, concentrated HNO3. These all are strong oxidizing agent. जब भी आपको जरूरत हो किसी oxidizing agent की, you can use it as KMnO4H2SO4, acidic KMnO4, basic potassium permanganate, K2Cr2O7, that is called potassium dichromate in acidic medium, and concentrated HNO3. These are oxidizing agents for aldehyde and ketone. These are strong oxidizing agents. Some weak oxidizing agents are also there. Weak oxidizing agent. What are weak oxidizing agents, students? Weak oxidizing agents are Tollens reagent. पढ़ेंगे अभी अपन. Tollens reagent. Second weak oxidizing agent is Fehling solution. Third is bromine water, Br2H2O. These are weak oxidizing agent. Other than these three, fourth one is PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate. Pyridinium chlorochromate. Or you can use one more, CrO3 in anhydrous medium. Anhydrous medium. These are weak oxidizing agents. List बना के याद रखना है. Not only in this chapter, whenever you feel you want to do oxidation, these are the oxidizing agents used for aldehydes and ketones, even for alcohol, for amine, जिन्हें भी oxidation